Hello everyone, this is Market Ready. Welcome to the stream and let us explore the world of Gate Launch Pool Project 333rd Cygnus CGN stake GUSD, USDD or CGN to claim airdrops. So Gate Launch Pool is set to launch Project 333rd Cygnus CGN. Users can stake GUSD, USDD, or CGN to share 6 lakh CGN tokens for free. New users who participate in staking will receive a $100 position voucher available on a first come, first served basis. Here's the airdrop detailing. The staking period is from 23rd of October 2025 at 20 at 12 UTC to November 4, 2025 at 12 UTC. So the total staking rewards are here, which is 6 lakhs CGNF. Unlocking rule is unlock 100% you can stake to earn. So early staking is Gate Launch Pool allows users to stake in advance. You can stake your assets before the official launch of the project to ensure you start earning rewards as soon as mining begins. Rewards boost are there. Users who stake USDT and choose to redeem into simple earned 7-day fixed term product can enjoy 29.16% extra airdrop rewards on top of their original staking earnings. And here's the rewards distribution. The system will distribute token rewards to users' spot accounts every hour based on the proportion of asset staked by each user. How to participate is you can log into your Gate account and complete identity verification. Navigate to launch pool, hold at least zero point 0.1 USDT over 0.05 GUSDT or one sided. You can click on the participate. And the exclusive perk for USDT newcomer pool are here where you can stake to win a 100 USDT position vouchers. So the users who participate in the USDT newcomer pool and maintain a continuous staking duration of no less than 48 hours with an average effective staked amount of at least 100 USDT will be eligible to receive a 100 USDT position voucher. The average effective staked amount will be calculated based on actual staking and redemption during the continuous staking period. Limited to 3,000 spots on a first come, first served basis. Participation requirements are there. Only users who sign up after October 18, 2025 at 00 USD UTC are eligible. Here's a Gate position voucher user guide is also there. You can learn it. Project information is there. Cygnus is the industry's first Instagram app layer, merging on-chain and off-chain assets to power the creator economy. Build with Cygnus LVS, onboarding the next billion user onto Web3. Official website is also there. We can review it onwards. Now, Gate Labs investment disclosure. Note is also there. Gate Launchpool is an innovative staking airdrop platform where users can earn hourly airdrops of trending and newly listed tokens by staking GT, BTC, ETH, USDT, GUSD, or other tokens. With low entry barriers and high APR, it's an easy way to capture market opportunities. Next is USDT newcomer pool. Exclusive rewards will be distributed as position vouchers. Eligible users will receive the airdrop within 14 working days after meeting the requirements. Partial redemptions are allowed during the staking period, but full redemption will reset the consecutive staking duration. Redeeming after meeting the requirements will not affect reward distribution. Okay, so please complete identity verification before participating in Launchpool to enhance the security of your account asset. Please follow the relevant rules of the event when participating. Any cheating behavior is prohibited, which will result in disqualification of the rewards. In case of discrepancies between the translated and the original English versions, the English version shall prevail. Gate reserve all rights to the final explanation. This event is not affiliated with Apple Inc. Users in the United Kingdom or other restricted locations cannot access the services, including participation in this event, game, or competition. See the user agreement for further details on restricted areas. Now, here's also the risk warnings. Let us quickly review it. As a blockchain startup still in its early stages, the project may involve significant risk in various aspects, including operations, underlying technology, and the legal and regulatory environment. Understanding blockchain startups and assessing their inherent risks require advanced technical and financial knowledge. Due to influences from technology, regulatory frameworks, market conditions, and other factors, the project you participate in may experience significant price volatility, with price potentially rising or falling sharply due to issues related to the underlying technology of the project or the gate trading platform. You may be unable to withdraw all or part of your assets from the project. Cryptocurrency projects are high risk by nature, and cryptocurrency prices are highly volatile. The project team does not provide any form of margin, price commitment, or downside protection. Due to issues related to the underlying technology of the project, or the Gate trading platform, you may be unable to withdraw all or part of your assets from the project. Cryptocurrency projects are high risk by nature, and cryptocurrency prices are highly volatile. The project team does not provide any form of margin, price commitment, or downside protection. Please ensure you fully understand the risk and are capable of bearing them before participating. While the platform strongly warns of potential risk, it cannot assume liability for any investment decisions or provide any guarantees or compensation. So, if issued by Gate Team on October 23rd, 2025, which is the gateway to crypto, you can trade over 3,400 cryptocurrencies. You can take action now and sign up and claim up to $10,000 in welcome rewards. You can invite friends and earn a 40% commission, or stay connected or visit Gate's official website, or you can download the Gate app on desktop or follow us on Twitter to get more bonuses, or you can join our Telegram community to discuss trending options topics. You can join our Telegram community to discuss trending options. Or you can engage with our global community for the latest insights. And the transparency and security, you can check our 100% proof of reserves. Next on the list we have CGN. Cygenus is the industry's first Instagram app layer, merging on-chain and off-chain assets to power the creator economy. Built with Cygenus LBS onboarding the next billion users onto Web3. We also have the official website. Total rewards are 6 lakh CGN, and the starting time is from 23rd of 10 2025 at 17, and the ending time is at 4th of 11 2025. So it ends in 1 day, 6 hours, 7 minutes, 4 seconds as follows. So GUST total staking rewards are 3 lakh CGN. Mining period is about 12 days, and the total staked are 80 are there, which I can't even pronounce. Okay, so participants are 8,017, whereas the prize pool overly cap lies at 10,416.66 CGN, whereas as the individual overly reward cap lies at 1,041.66 CGN. whereas the APR is lying at 2.72%. Whereas the individual staking cap is at 5 lakh GUSD. You can earn more by Candy Drop is being airdropped first come and first served basis. Whereas for CGN, total staking rewards are there 1,500,000 CGN, whereas the mining period is 12 days, and the total staked are there. Participants include 18,097, and the price pool overly cap is 5,208.33 CGN, whereas the overly individual overly cap is 729.16 CGN, and the APR lies at 108.84%, and the individual staking cap is 300,000 CGN. And for USDT, the total staking rewards are there. The mining period is 12 days. The total staked are there. Total participants include 2,245, and the price pool overly cap is at 5,208.33 CGN, whereas the individual overly cap is at 729.16 CGN, and the APR lies at 27.25%, and the individual staking cap is at 2,000 USDT. And this is all from the Gate Launch Pool earned CGN token. Let us do a quick review of the CGN ecosystem. Your Instagram account is your Web3 wallet. Cygnus is the industry's first Instagram app layer, emerging on-chain and off-chain assets to power the creator economy. Build with Cygnus LBS, onboarding the next billion users onto Web3. So we are providing services for any system that requires its own distributed valuation, require real yield sources, requires connecting with global liquidity networks, requires real users and focused attention. and leverage Instagram's robust social engagement to drive seamless on chain experiencing. Instagram app layer signs the first Web3 Instagram app layer onboarding the next billion users is designed to emerge on chain and off chain asset to power the creator economy right within Instagram. It offers a modular, real yield solution that enables developers to build engaging blockchain powered experiencing directly on the platform by simplifying user onboarding and integrating seamless Web3 functionalities. The Instagram app layer paves the way for a frictionless crypto experience, accelerating mainstream blockchain adoption and redefining the intersection of social media and crypto. Whereas the liquidity valuation validation system LVS is a comprehensive omni-chain active verification network and liquidity proof system designed to meet the demands of distributed valuation semantics for verification. This network empowers decentralized systems to enhance trust and transparency by enabling seamless integration of validation mechanisms, making it an essential solution for projects requiring secure, scalable, and distributed verification. Scientists chain where scientists chain serve as the settlement layer for the liquidity verification system LVS, acting as the central hub system LVS, acting as the central hub for a cross-chain liquidity proof network. It ensures seamless validation and settlement of multi-chain assets, supporting distributed verification process while providing robust liquidity infrastructure. So the pooling enhanced yield for stakers are there. LVS offers stakers the opportunity to participate in a pooling mechanism that aggregates assets across various chains. This enables stakers to earn diverse revenue streams, including rewards generated from liquidity, network validation, and asset management, ensuring optimal utilization of their staked funds. So the first Web3 Instagram app layer, Syngenous has launched Syngenous Insta Play, which allows users to log in with their Instagram account and automatically generate an AA wallet. This Instagram hub builds an ecosystem centered on blockchain education and the creator economy, empowering users to gain full sovereignty over their social data. Total users are 8,687,372, whereas the unique active wallets are 2,188,699 and the daily active wallets are 7,48,647, whereas the community members are 2,455,403. We have integrated with industry leading customers Base, Linea, Tone, Tyco, Hemi, Bitlayer, and Uberchain. The infrastructure are there where we include Lorenzo. Lorenzo is the Bitcoin liquidity finance layer. XLR. XLR is the programmable Web3 interoperability platform. And then the Alchemy. Alchemy is a Web3 development platform designed to make it easy to build and scale. Sopra. Sopra is a layer 1 blockchain that is compatible with multi VM and allows developers to Fireblocks. Fireblocks is an enterprise grade platform providing a secure infrastructure. Dynamic is a multi chain wallet based authentication and authorization platform. O is the first modular omni-chain interoperability protocol supporting the Arwave is a decentralized data store protocol built on Blockwave technology. So what does our customers say? Signed features integrate with Cygenus to robust the WAC per market. Signed features and scientists will work together to grow the WCG, USD, USDC per market and create new trading opportunities. It's programmable. Cygenus supports smart contracts, making it unique among AVS networks, delivering true AVS chain abstraction for both users and developers with minimal overhead. Next is scalable. Today, Cygenus connects more blockchains and AVS networks than any other interoperability provider, and the gap is winding. Cygenus is truly the shortest path to scale, and it's secure. Cygenus runs battle tested proof of stake verification. Risk is further mitigated via superior topology and application layer policies like rate limits and dynamic server providers, which includes $8 billion plus global liquidity accessible, 8 million plus users, 60 plus blockchains, 235K plus STK downloads, and 75 AVS operators. We are in a liquidity paradigm shift from dApp based to chain based. On chain liquidity limits to inventory scale. Blockchains suffer from the lag and segmentation of liquidity. Cygenus is changing the game of on chain liquidity. You can build thriving ecosystem with real yield and instrumental users. So let's break away from zero sum dynamics to build a sustainable yield driven ecosystem together. Join us. Yield driver ecosystem together. Join us in creating a network that values real impact and shared growth, ensuring vibrant long term opportunities for all participants who can build with us. So, before signing off, let us quickly review our project and have a look on the risk warnings. As a blockchain startup still in its early stages, the project may involve significant risk in various aspects, including operations, underlying technology, and the legal and regulatory environment. Understanding underlying technology and the legal and regulatory environment. Understanding blockchain startups and assessing their inherent risk requires advanced technical and financial knowledge. Due to influences from technology, regulatory frameworks, market conditions, and other factors, the project to participate in may experience significant price volatility, with prices potentially rising or falling sharply due to issues related to the underlying technology of the project or gate trading platform. You may be unable to withdraw all or part of your assets from the project. Cryptocurrency projects are high risk by nature, and cryptocurrency prices are highly volatile. The project team does not provide any form of margin, price commitment, or downside protection. Please ensure you fully understand the risk and are capable of bearing them before participating. While the platform strongly warns of potential risk, it cannot assume liability for any investment decisions or provide any guarantees or compensation. Today's our topic would be the Syngenes. Syngenes is the industry's first Instagram app layer, merging on-chain and off-chain assets to power the creator economy. Built with Syngenes LVS, onboarding the next billion users onto Web3. Total rewards, starting time, ending time, and it ends in this time. Are there? We have review it all and Syngenes, which is the your Instagram account is your Web3 wallet. Syngenes is the industry's first Instagram app layer, emerging on-chain and off-chain assets to power the creator economy. Built with Syngenes LVS, onboarding the next billion users on Web3. Here we have explored the gradations, Instagram app layer, liquidity valuation, Syngenes change, pooling enhanced layers for stakers, and the first Web3 Instagram app layer. Total users, unique active wallets, daily active wallets, and with which what we have integrated. And the infrastructure also our customer sayings programmable, scalable, and secure. So we are in a liquidity paradigm shift from DApp based to chain based. On-chain liquidity limits to inventory scale, blockchain suffer from the lake and segmentation of liquidity. Syngenes is changing the game of on-chain liquidity. Thank you all for joining and see you in the next stream.